All guns blazing. On one side, Bengaluru Mavericks. On the other, Bengal Wizards. If we had to pick two sides that showed most promise, most talent, and most results over the last 5 days, it had to be these two. And the thing about this format is everything changes so fast. If you were Marsha, if you were Arena, you would want to play the final on the day you've already had such good form.
Right.
Here we go. Grand finale begins. Already the big ground stroke exchanges. And it's gone
1-0 Bengaluru.
to Arena Rodionova first up for the Bengaluru squad. They were the table toppers after the league phase. This is pressure. This is pressure, and the tight hands of the young 20-year-old showing. Rodionova, the more experienced campaigner. It's the right side. Timofeeva with the
3-1
finish.
Bengaluru.
They need some Timofeeva fever, the Wizards. Firm volley after a good forehand. That's what you want to see. There you go, the fist pump. Just needs a few points to get that momentum. Again, a good serve. Rodionova taking pace off it. Timofeeva keeps going inside out with the forehand.
3-2
Leander Pace
Bengaluru.
loving it. And why not? She has become twice the player that we saw on the first night. In just 5 days, Maria Timofeeva is becoming quite the phenom of the TPL. The second serve now. Oh, Timofeeva fever has arrived.
3-0.
The depth on that return follows it up with the booming forehand. That's what set it up, and that's what closes the point out. 4-3,
Bengal.
Bengal with 4 points on the bounce. Make that 5.
5-3 Bengal.
After trailing love 3, Timofeeva now leads 5-3.
That goes into the net, looking to change directions. The inside out was a good approach. Look at the depth on the ground strokes. Her forehand has been fast and furious.
Forcing Timofeeva deep. But it's been a battle of the ground strokes from both these girls. Tries not to come into the net, Timofeeva. Oh! Now, Rodionova. Oh! How about that? And is that the point that changes it
8-5 Bengal.
even further in favor of the Wizards?
Take a look at this. The entire court open. She will fight tooth and nail till the very end. Back in the same direction as the serve goes that forehand. Vishnuvardhan loves it, pumping
8-7
up
Bengal.
the atmosphere here. Can this go down to the very last point?
At the moment, it's a great fight. It is a proper slugfest out there. Didn't play. And that's a closeout. The depth on that return, phenomenal, and she gets the crowd going now.
misses that. Masha roars.
9-8
What
Bengal.
a fight. What a slugfest, Suhail.
That's a huge serve under pressure from Masha Timofeeva, the 20-year-old. That takes guts.
2 points for the win. The final two in this game. Wow! Game point, Masha Timofeeva.
10-9
What
Bengal.
a time to dig deep and land the big baseline shots. Watch this. Uses the backhand slice, then powers it through with the forehand. And Timofeeva, Fever, is back in Pune. She leads by 1. Final point of the women's singles. Can she close it out? Yes, she can!
9 Bengal.
Masha Timofeeva gives the Wizards the lead after the women's singles. The 20-year-old beats the Russian-born Aussie 11-9.
What a day she's having. Took out Connie Perrin in the Swiss. And now takes out the Australian Arina Rodionova, setting it up for a mouth-watering men's singles that follows next.
चल आजा मैदान में चल आजा मैदान में
Two men who haven't missed too many first serves. And when it came to their second serves, they showed some serious damage and serious pace.
Here we go. Sriram Balaji to serve. Oh, hello, hello. Welcome to the final, Bala. Now let's remember, Sriram Balaji beat Sumit Nagal 11-9 yesterday. India's number 1 went down. Oh, good hands from Sriram Balaji.
2-1
Crafty.
Bengal.
Leander pays like. And Lee loves it. Look at this return. Takes pace off it. Says, time for you to create something. Serving at 2-1, a mini breakup. Similar return from Ram. But this time, it doesn't fall good.
3-1
Looking for the passing
Bengal.
shot.
Serve and volley, both on point, and now the overhead. Back it comes. This time, it's costly. The smiling
3-2 Bengal.
assassin continues with his wonderful antics on court, and the skill is just top-notch. Counter-attacking abilities, the defense. He doesn't give up. That extra ball is what costed Balaji there. In comes the first serve, comes back, hits the net tape, and this time Bala benefits from that net. Luck
4-3 Bengal.
with both of them.
It's hit the net about 3 times in this rally. Here we go, that's the first one. Then again from Bala. And we saw it on the previous serve as well.
He does. Comes in. Look at that slice. Look at the angle. And sliced back. Wow. This is
5-4
top-notch tennis. They're enjoying themselves. And the Wizards with their wizardry.
Oh, the thought process, you could understand it from Bala.
Is that a second serve? That's what this man can do.
Bengaluru.
Unfazed, undeterred, keeps slamming those serves with some serious precision.
He just backs himself. Bala's turn now. Oh, he misses. And this has been the case with Sriram Balaji. Look at the overall score. Ram Kumar has leveled things up.
There's no silence between points here. The tension growing because only one team will lift that trophy. Bala with the second serve. Ram, I stand corrected. It's enough. The volley works. Ram Kumar now with a 2-point lead. 17 each on the overall scores.
Been a really good showing from both these men. After the 11-9 win for the Wizards, it's been wiped out. And guess what? Bengaluru now
9-6
are out in
Bengaluru.
front. This is some final. Gutsy, that's gutsy.
10-8 Bengaluru.
And we're back on level terms. What a match. Last 2 points of the men's singles. Where's this going?
Take a bow. Ram Kumar, Ramanathan, you
11-8
beauty.
Bengaluru.
You have just won this game.
Final point of the men's singles. And again, the deft touch.
11-9
We
Bengaluru.
go into the doubles with both teams on 20 points apiece.
It's time for mixed doubles. Arena alongside Vishnu and the informed Timofeeva and Anirudh. 20 apiece, cannot get any closer. 20 each as we head into the double side of this final. Masha with the serve.
And what a return that
1-0
is
Bengaluru.
from Arina Rodionova. Goes for it down the line. And it's quality
2-0
serving
Bengaluru.
like that from Vishnuvardhan that's got them here. A bit of indecision. But still, Arina Rodionova says, don't worry, I got you, Vishnu.
3-0 Bengaluru.
And it's a 3-love lead early in this matchup. Remember, Masha Timofeeva in the women's singles was down love 3. They're attacking Timofeeva. Oh, and it's Timofeeva fever. She loves it. Arina Rodionova going at the young 20-year-old. The 20-year-old coming back even stronger. And it's Rodionova with the error, looking to go with a cute angle. 1-3. And there you go. The 1-2. Anirudh with the big serve. Masha with the finish.
Ekaterina cheers her good friend Masha on. This smash, superb. Look what that means to Anirudh and Leander.
Coming back from love 3 down. Oh, ho, ho.
4-3
Masha
Bengal.
Timofeeva. Welcome to India. They're thrilled with that as well, as they should be. What a combination this is proving to be for the Bengal Wizards.
Should the Wizards go on to win this?
5-3 to Timofeeva and Anirudh. 25-23. They're back in the lead, the Wizards.
Looking for the 6th straight point. Has that caught the line? Ari goes straight for the challenge. Masha says, yeah, of course, we have to challenge it. So close.
It's very close.
Difficult to tell from this angle.
The ball is good, replay the point. Oh, you hit it out. Point to Bengal.
Anirudh Chandrasekhar says, I think that's in.
They're not happy. They're not letting this go. Vishnu and Arina. Oh, drama!
This needs to just get on with it. Because at the moment, Everything was going fine. Now, I don't think they should replay this. I think if he's given a decision, give the decision and get on with it. I get the feeling they're going to make them replay the point. And he says it's going to be a first serve.
Refocus, realign, reset. Here we go again. The final has everything still to fight for. Double ball, you got to believe. And take a look at the reaction. She kept her cool, her composure throughout the semi-finals, the final, across the last 5 days. Finally loses her cool, the 20-year-old Russian. She can't handle it.
I feel for her, because you know what, that point should have gone to them. That was the call from the chair umpire, and it should have gone to her. And she says, okay, well done, good job, Rodionova, take that if you want, but I'm not okay with it. And right now it's Bengaluru bouncing back,
5-all.
and on the turn it's 5 apiece.
You got to believe, Anirudh. Savinoli into the net. Oh boy, has this turned around now?
Momentum is a funny thing in sport, and a moment like that double fault, if it went the way of Bengal, could have completely continued that momentum. We saw words from her, plenty of them. Oh, but her racket's doing the talking. Her racket is doing the talking now.
9-5 Bengaluru.
As we said, momentum changes things, and they've got the antics on court, the entertainment quotient with them. Bengaluru dominant.
Masha, what she got here? Not too much. It goes long. Arena says, I am here to stay, to win. Balu sir loves it. Everything going in favor of team Bengaluru. The Mavericks proving to be too good.
Again looking to the lob. And that's long as well from Timofeeva.
11-5
Bengal
Bengaluru.
have not won a single point after that double point.
Down the line. Beautiful backhand. And the celebrations begin in the Mavericks camp. 14-6. So close to being crowned champions now. 34 they've reached now. 26 is where Bengal stand. Sri Ram Balaji and Anirudh have a task ahead. A huge mountain to climb. Can they? We'll know soon.
चल आजा मैदान में चल आजा मैदान में
All Indian pairing on both sides. Ram and Vishnu are very close to the finish line. Ani and Bala, the lefty-righty duo, have to play the game of their lives.
Ready, play.
Has to be the one that leads this between Ani and him. He will like to control proceedings right at the start. Slams one. You don't want a collision. Oh dear. If there's one department
1-0
where
Bengaluru.
Anirudh Chandrasekhar has excelled, it's the overheads. And would you believe it? He sends that overhead wide. Oh God. have to feel for this team. Bala and Anirudh have had nearly perfect 5 days. Ram
3-0 Bengaluru.
doing what Ram does best. Balu sir says, stay in the game, focus. What a get from both sides. High quality doubles action. This continues. Still in. Has to be one of the rallies of the season. They come out, trumps. Vishnu and Ram are running across the court.
4-0
The party
Bengaluru.
has begun. They know they have all to play for now. So close to grabbing that trophy. 3 points away. And take a look at this. The confidence in that tweener from Vishnuvardhan. And the lob so accurate. Just going, everything going their way. Look at Ram dancing around that baseline. Now toying with their opponents.
5-0 Bengaluru.
Serving to keep himself alive in this. After 6 days of nail-biting, jaw-dropping, scintillating tennis, we have our champions. It's the Bengaluru SG Mavericks, courtesy dream performances from Arina Rodionova, Vishnuvardhan, Ramkumar Ramanathan. They are superstars of this grand finale. Smiles and parties begin. Just about 6 days back, we have come down to just one winning moment. What a day. Vishnuvardhan has been a star performer. The 20-point format has offered so much. The talent from across the country was visible. Victorious Mavericks. The celebrations. It's a proud moment for the co-founders. They worked tirelessly, relentlessly, spent sleepless nights to create this wonderful team format. The 20-point pace that this wonderful format created. Thrills, excitement, doubled up, multiplied every day. We had a packed stadium that enjoyed high quality tennis.